What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm super stoked for today's video because I was sent this package from a good friend of mine on YouTube named JayBratt. JayBratt is a streamer slash VR content creator on the YouTube, so I'll have a link to his channel if you want to check him out. But without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So I have no idea what's in this box, so we will find this out together. So I got my crown bit knife right here. What is this? We will find this out. We will find this out later. Got some packaging. We got a lens cleaner, which honestly this feels really cool. It feels really good. I have one of these, but they don't. This feels premium compared. I'm honestly super excited, as you can probably tell. We got some plastic. We have a lens protector for the Oculus Quest. Now, if you travel a lot, this is pretty much a necessity, so that way your Oculus doesn't turn on when you're on the go. So. Now this seems to be some sort of phone charger, and which will come very handy because I have a lot of Samsung products and phones and stuff like that. So let's just set this over here. What I want to get into is this. I don't know what the. Let me get the box off the table. Okay, set this over here. Okay, so this is a tiny box. Oh, it's an Oculus. Wait a minute. Dude. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's a Halo strap for the Oculus Quest. Now, for those of you that don't know, I have the original Oculus Quest strap, which, as you can probably guess, is terrible. Now, I did buy a Halo strap for my Quest 1. This thing, I have no idea what this is. I'm super stoked to see what it is. Now, he mentioned something that there was a custom-made item, so I'm not for sure if this is it or what. Oh my, universal illuminating VR stand. Oh, I'm guessing. Oh my god, no way. Let me see. I think I know what it is. I'm not for sure, but I think. Oh dude, yeah, this is what it is. This is what I thought it was. Okay, this is super cool. I've always wanted one of these, but never had the. Oh, it's a JayBratt VR. That's so cool. Okay, that's really cool. It says JayBratt VR. Now what is this? I'm guessing this is like, I don't know what this is used for. I'm guessing it's to turn on the RGB because there's a plug, micro USB plug right here. Let me just move this stuff out of the way. The first thing we're going to do is take a look at this ugly looking strap. Oh my god. That feels already so much better. It feels like it doesn't like on my face anymore. That feels so good. I don't know how I lived without this thing, but I lived without some sort of adjustment layer or adjustment thing. Oh my god. Oh dude, that's so awesome. I can't believe this is. I don't know why I haven't picked up one of these before. I'm super appreciative of the things I was sent. So huge shout out to JayBratt for sending me all of this stuff. It was super awesome. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to be using the hell out of this too. This is definitely staying on my desk forever. Thank you guys very much for watching. Remember to virtually check yourself. Peace.